quilt, flowers, word, cloud, bird, flowers, Sesame Street, yeah, I knew it. Pool, hose, bucket, hose, fence, fence, mail, birds, birds, table, cat, floor, chair, chair, bike, cat, table, birds, flowers, nest, broom, window, quilt, door, plant, okay.
Hi, baby.
Come here. You're gonna see what's in it. Say the words.
Bench. Door. Sun. Window. Nest. Broom. Flowers. Quilt. Window. Tree.
She likes the last page.
Mail. Pool. Bucket. Fence. Hose. Mail. Sun. Elmo has lots of fun things in his backyard. He even has a garden to grow yummy fruits. And vegetable. What else do you see in Elmo's yard? Table. Chair. Bike. Cat.